Some reward apps can still be useful when you are away from Wi-Fi, but whether they work without an internet connection depends on how the specific app tracks activity, updates rewards, and processes payments. By the end, you'll know what to look for in reward apps that work better with limited internet access and how to avoid apps that stop working when your connection disappears. The first thing to check is how the app records your progress. Some reward apps need an active connection for every action, while others may allow certain activities to continue and sync later. Before relying on an app without Wi-Fi, check its instructions and user reviews for offline performance. The second thing to check is the type of rewards being offered. Many reward apps require an internet connection when you redeem points, receive updates, or confirm completed tasks. A lack of Wi-Fi may not stop you from using the app, but it can delay reward tracking or account updates. The third factor is the activity inside the app. Simple tasks usually require fewer resources than apps with large downloads, constant updates, or heavy graphics. If you have limited data or an older phone, choose apps that match your device and connection limits. You should also check how often the app needs updates. Some apps may stop working properly if you avoid updates for too long. Keep your apps updated when possible to avoid performance problems. Another step is checking battery and storage usage. Apps that run many background processes can use more battery and make your phone slower. Remove apps that you do not use and keep only the reward platforms that provide value. A common mistake is assuming every reward app works the same way without internet. Each platform has different rules for tracking, syncing, and redeeming rewards. Read the app details before spending time completing activities. Reward apps without Wi-Fi requirements can be convenient, but the best choice depends on how the app handles offline use, tracking, and payments. Your next step is to test one reward app with your current phone and connection setup before installing several more. If this guide helped you choose reward apps more carefully, like the video and subscribe for more practical reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and money tools.